By 2030, millions of jobs will vanish, not because of a recession, not because of globalization, but because of artificial intelligence. These are the 7 jobs that will disappear first, and the real reason why humans won't be needed in them anymore. Customer support agents. AI chatbots are already replacing customer service workers. By 2030, almost every company will use AI support systems that answer instantly, never get tired, and handle thousands of queries at once. Human agents will only manage complex cases. Routine support gone. AI is simply faster, cheaper, and available 24/7. Data entry operators. Any job that involves copying, typing, or entering data is disappearing at lightning speed. AI tools can extract information from documents, fill forms automatically, and correct errors instantly. Humans can't keep up with that speed. These roles will be fully automated long before 2030. Basic graphic designers. AI can already generate logos, posters, banners, and full marketing designs in seconds. Tools like Midjourney and Canva AI make it incredibly easy for anyone to create high-quality visuals without hiring a designer. Only high-level creative designers will survive. Basic design work is going extinct. Cashiers and front desk workers, self-checkout systems, AI kiosks, and automated billing are replacing humans in supermarkets, hotels, airports, and restaurants. By 2030, most checkouts will be fully automated. The few humans who remain will only handle exceptions and escalations. Telemarketers. AI voice systems can talk, persuade, and sell without losing patience. Companies are replacing human callers with AI agents that can make thousands of calls per minute. Telemarketing will be one of the first major industries to become almost fully automated. Junior programmers. AI coding tools like GPT Coder, Copilot, and Devin can now write thousands of lines of code faster than humans. Routine tasks like debugging, fixing bugs, generating functions, writing documentation are being automated. Senior developers will still exist, but most entry-level coding jobs will vanish. Basic content writers. AI can generate blogs, captions, scripts, and articles in seconds. Companies are already shifting for human writers to AI-driven content pipelines. Only writers who specialize in storytelling, research, and creative strategy will survive. Basic writing work is being replaced at a massive scale. The harsh truth: AI isn't taking jobs because it's smarter than us. It's taking them because it's cheaper, faster, and available 24 hours a day. Millions of roles will disappear, but millions of new ones will emerge. The real question is, are you preparing for the right future or the wrong one? If you want to stay ahead of the future of work and understand how AI is reshaping our world, subscribe to FuturePulse AI. Your journey into tomorrow begins now.